Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeByTushu. And before we start, quick honest thinking. And if you feel my videos are not helping you, so you are not enjoy this explanation, so please tell me in the comments. And I genuinely want to improve and make content that actually help for growth. And today's problem introduction. Today's problem is delete cycle in 2D grid. This is medium level problem, but conceptually it is very important for interview. What is problem is a saying. We are given a 2D grid of character. We need to check, is there any circle formed by same character? What is cycle? Cycle mean path length less than equal to 4. Same character start is equal to ending. Importance rule. So very careful. You cannot go back to the previous cell immediately. I hope you are understanding. This is not simple traversal. This is cycle detection in grid. And this is basically grid is equal to graph. Each cell is equal to node. Adjacent cell is equal to edge. Key inside. So problem becomes deleted cycle in graph. Approach. We will use DFS depth first search. Okay, but with a twist. We track parents cell. Why parents tracking? Because if we revisit a visited node, it might devalidate parent. So we must ignore the cell we just came from. Okay. So is core in the idea and code walkthrough with my okay. And we start. So function start. So first of all, function like code one by step. Okay. So int m is equal to grade dot length. Int n is equal to grade array 0 dot length. Get grid dimensions. Then next boolean double array visit is equal to new boolean mn array. Track visit cell and use the loop. For loop use or so condition is int I is equal to 0, I greater than m or I plus plus. Then next again for loop use int j is equal to 0 or j greater than n and j plus plus. Try DFS from every cell. Okay. If visited ij array only start from unvisited cell. DFS grid visited ij 1 minus 1 grid or ij array. Start DFS parents I11. DFS function is importance line. If we reach a visit cell again, cycle detected. Like if visit array RC return true, mark current cell visited. So visit RC is equal to true. Direction int digits 10 minus 10 01 0 minus 1. Okay. Move in 4 direction. Explore next goals. Int nr is equal to r plus d 0 array. Int nc is equal to c plus d array 1. Next cell boundary check. So be careful. If so, use the condition and then now step by step please. So same character check if condition, then only same value allowed, please continue. Skip parents. Next line is if nr double is equal to pr double and nc double is equal to pc. Continue. So I think recursing DFS. Okay, parents going back to previous cell, very important is in this. Okay, if character DFS grid visited NR NC or CCH character like returns true, continue DFS like and returns false value. So I think you are understand this problem solving. I know, don't take it easy, like, so think about private boolean DFS, use the grid boolean visited, and for the loop for time if condition, then use in the then return value well. So I hope you are understanding. This is classic cycle detection pattern, but don't worry. And time complexity omega m into n, space complexity omega m into n. I think you are thought same, so you are right. Okay, and interview insight like problem test, graph thinking, DFS understanding, parents tracking. So, and you can solve many graph problem easily. If you are stealing watch, respect. Seriously, this is one of those problem that's build your real DSA fundamentals, and practice this again. Try written DFS yourself, and consistency is everything. And see you the next video, and bye, and thank you so much.